All the way out. Like relaxed.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Very relaxed.
Oh my god!
We've got this one here. Boom. Oh, I know you felt. And go up just a little bit. Good. Okay. One more time. Deep breath in and exhale out. Good. Okay. Closer to me. Good. There it was.
Felt that?
Lay flat on your back for me. Knees, the hips, and even into the lumbar spine. We just want to stabilize all those joints. Relax your leg. Good. And relax your leg. Good. So we're gonna do 2 adjustments here. Relax. You felt that all right up there. Yep, that was that one that you needed. Good.
Yeah.
With your elbows, I want you to bring your elbows together.
Okay, like this.
Yep, bring your elbows together and lean back on me, okay?
Okay.
Lean back. Lean back.
Oh my gosh! Definitely felt that.
Alright, so we're gonna have a big deep breath in this mouth. And all the way out. Head relaxed. Beautiful upper back adjustment. Slow deep breath in. More. We're gonna do another 1 or 2 of those. Breathe in deep. And slowly let it out. You can feel the tension that's been in there. Good. And out. Wow. That was big. Yeah. There we go. Chest relaxed. That started moving already. And breathe in. Shoulders relax. Easy. Oof. That one is really tight. We're going to open that one up differently. And then breath in again. And out. Hips relaxed. Wow. Look at that face. Feels good, right?
Yes.
The body's already doing much better. Breath in again now. And out. Wow. Squeezing. Fall back, chest up. Beautiful. That was that T3. Aligned and
Oh boy, home run. Felt that all the way down, didn't you? Yes. Yep. And you're still kicking your eye. Okay. There we go. Oh boy, Crack Egg's gonna love you.
Good, you okay? Mm-hmm. Okay, take a deep breath for me. Let's blow it all out. Just a little light adjustment there. There we go. Good. Good. Go on your back for me, face up. And just nice and light. Good. And one more. Good. That out a little bit. So next thing we're going to do is a lumbar adjustment. Just going to decompress the joints a little bit. That's it. Okay, the other side. Nice and light. A little lighter on this side, Alice. Okay, just nice and light. There it goes. Okay, let's go back on your stomach.
Just breathe through your nose. Yes, sir, Bob. I know you felt that one all the way down.
oh God.
Yeah, that's the most common response
This is
we
what they
get.
felt.
Yes, sir. Okay. Justin says he's looked for people all over Georgia to do this to him, and he couldn't find them, so he thought he'd just fly here to Houston and get it done by the man who invented it.
That's crazy. Lord, have mercy. And all the way out. Yes, ma'am. Shoulders loose and relaxed right there. Hips relaxed. Drop the hip. Yep, just like that. Loosen the shoulders.
Oh, yes.
There we go. All right, and we're going to go over this way now, please. Yes, ma'am. Breathe in deep. Right there. Excellent, dear. We're going to lay onto our back. Okay, head, body stays there. Head bends easy.
There you go.
There we go. And breathe again, yes. All the way, really drop the head a little over to the right, just like that. Drop again. Oof. Now, sometimes we don't get movement when it's really tight, so. And down. And bring it over even more. One more breath in. And out. There.
Oh.
I'm gonna palpate right through the upper. All right, right in here. Okay, relax right here for me. Very good. Okay, excellent. She said we're working on which shoulder now?
Left shoulder.
Left shoulder. Okay, we're gonna work on the left shoulder, a little bit of active release technique as well, right in here. Okay. All right, right here. Relax here. Excellent. Okay, lay face down right there for me. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Good. Lay facing the opposite way for me. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Excellent. Lay face up for me.
Here we go. Big breath in again, Katja. All the way out.
Oh, yes. Oh, wow.
That was big.
Cairo is my drug.
Hey, man. She's like, I don't care. It's just good.
It's just good.
Hips relaxed. Shoulders relaxed. Drop it down.
Oh, wow. Okay. Yep.
Breathe in deep. And out. Beautiful. That was good.
Yes.
Very good.
Yes.
Breathe in deep. All the way out.
Oh, okay.
Hey. Breathe in again. Head relax here.
Oh, holy moly.
That's a big one.
That was a big
And
one.
then we have one foot adjustment to do here. Foot stays relaxed.
Okay. That was amazing.
Feeling your scapula will go.
What do you need me to do?
Let's just check this first. Not crazy loud. No, unless. Stand up. Scapula. 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 A little bit. This one usually pops out. Nope. Not today.
Not today.
Oh yeah. I know you felt that one all the way down, didn't you?
Yes. Oh my goodness. It
You're
felt
still
so
kicking your
good.
arm. Yes, sir. You know, actually the ring dinger is a very significant chiropractic adjustment from the occiput all the way down to the sacrum.
Gotta go right hand in the middle of your neck. Good. What's your first impression with that adjustment?
Holy cow. Whew.
Good. Okay. There. It's maybe nervous right now.
This way?
Yeah. Good. Look good there.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Got that one. Denim, 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 denim.
Nice. Oh, crunchy.
Hold on, hold on.
Wait. Wait. I'll just do it from here.
Okay, relax.
Oh my gosh, that was awesome.
Yeah, that was a loud one.
Look relaxed.
Okay, yeah, here we go.
Act natural. I feel like Gumby.
Good. You're doing great.
Oh.
Wow. That was very loud. It almost echoed a little. Same thing here. Your C1 occiput is really out with almost very little mobility. Relax the head. Good. Very good. T12, L1. Let's see. Relax your back. Good. Very good. Wow. Very good.
Yeah.
Good, nice.
So, oh my goodness.
Good.
Yep.
Good, wow. Stay away from the atlas right now. Stay away. Okay, come towards me more. Good, nice.
Let it out. Sorry. Already moving as she was breathing. Deep breath in. Let it out. Good.
Stuck there. Solid.
You'd be needing your head adjusted then. Yeah, just relax. Oh yeah, boy. That was a home run.
Oh yeah.
There. Okay, I got you. Oh yeah. Good job.
Okay. Yeah. And down. Totally relaxed. Breathe. Good. 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 Good.